Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the HTML classes. So we can create HTML class attribute to specify a class for HTML element, and the same class can be shared by multiple HTML elements. So the class attribute can be used in a style sheet or in JavaScript to access and manipulate elements with the specific class name. So inside the head tag we're going to create the style tag, and inside of which we're going to have all of our styles. So inside the style tag we're going to create the class called red, and wherever we're going to use that class we want the font color to be red. Now we can use that class red inside that HTML element. So all we have to write the class and then the name of the class red. So we are applying the CSS class red into the element h1, and you can see the text color has been changed to red. And once we have created our class, then we can apply the same class to multiple elements. Like an example, we can apply the class red to another p element. So we have to add the class red to the p element, and this way we can change the text color of that element too. So also we have to remember the name of the class is case sensitive, and also we can apply multiple classes to one element. So to add multiple classes to an element we have to separate the class name with a space. So like an example, if we have another class italic, and whenever we use that class we want the font style to be italic, so we can apply multiple class to one element. So we have to use the space and then we can write another class, and this way the element will be styled according to all the class specified. So because we have used the class red and the class italic to the h1 tag, that's why the content of the h1 tag is having the font color as red and the font style as italic. So this is the way we can create the CSS class, and then we can apply that class to multiple elements. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.